How to view your YouTube watch history on a mobile phone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and see your watch history on YouTube within the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so recently YouTube has made some changes to their app and they've changed the location of different items. So to get started with viewing our watch history on YouTube, the first thing we need to do is open up the YouTube app on our iPhone or Android phone. And then once the YouTube app is open, select the icon in the bottom right menu labeled You or Library. Once you select that, you'll be brought to this page here where you'll see your history at the very top. From here, all we need to do is select View All. And then in here at the top, you can search your history. So if you have any videos that you're looking for, you can find those. Or you can just scroll down and see your watch history from today and then previous days by scrolling down even further. If you want to remove anything from your watch history, you can find the video that you want to remove, select the three dots to the right of that video, and then just select Remove from Watch History. Additionally, you can also clear and delete your entire watch history on YouTube by selecting the three dots at the top right of YouTube, and then just selecting Clear All Watch History. All right, so that's how you view your watch history within the YouTube app on an iPhone or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.